All right, so we've got a Whirlpool dishwasher. Now what you're looking at is your wash pump or circulation pump. So the issue you're having with your washer, it is not washing. So the water sits there, it goes through the cycle, and it does not do anything. So you'll get a pump, new pump, and to complete this repair, you will need that tool. And what that does, it grabs the factory clamp and compresses it so you get a good seal. You don't have to use that clamp. They will include another clamp that you can just use a regular tool. It's a worm drive clamp. So it's a regular clamp that you're used to. So you can use that as well. So you will have to remove that portion right there. Pops in there. So it's more difficult to do it that way. I will have a video on that as well if you prefer. Now, this housing comes apart. Press and turn. Pretty straightforward. The problem part is the wash motor, not the housing. Make sure your O-ring or gasket stays. And I have a mark. A mark helps because it points you exactly where the pump was and is. So when you put your new one on, it gives you a little indicator. Now, undo your harness, and we're going to basically do the same thing. Don't break that tab, by the way, just be careful. And unplug your dishwasher. And of course, we're going to be squeezing that same tab and twisting. Now, you definitely want to get a towel. Put it underneath the pump so you don't make a mess. All right, here comes the water. It's not too much. Now, if you look closely inside of that pump housing or the impeller, you can see a lot of stuff. And all those things can actually restrict the motor from moving. And sometimes they just fail. We did try the tapping on this one, by the way, guys, but it would work for about 2-3 cycles, and I would get a call back. So this is a return. So we're just replacing the pump itself. And reach in, use a towel, small brush, and go ahead and clean that cavity area. This one was nice and clean. And I do recommend citric acid. It's a beautiful, excellent cleaner to do maintenance on your dishwasher. And empty your dishes. Do not put dirty dishes in your dishwasher. Well, if you know what I mean. Remove the food debris. They're not a garbage disposer or disposal. All right, so this portion you want to basically press in. Make sure you have all corners, the whole surface of the pump seated properly. Then you twist it into place. Make sure it's nice and secured, locked in, and do a slight tug. That's it. Put your harness in and basically set your machine up for testing. Now, once you get it up on its legs, go ahead and do a quick test and watch for leaks. Keep it out before you install it back into the housing, the cabinets. Leave it out, watch it for about 20 minutes just to make sure you're not leaking. You do not want to have your dishwasher leaking behind the cabinets. All right, so we're pretty much done with this. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching.
savoir si c'est possible d'avoir le taux